Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. It has been like 2 years or something. I'm so sorry for my absence, but I am back with another video and hopefully I will stick at it this time. This is inspired by Jimin's folio makeup. I thought it was really pretty. I will insert a clip here, but it's very short. Here we go. I don't want hybe to attack me, but I started off using the Helene Cosmetics Double Base Primer. Then I'm going in with the Empowered eyeshadow palette by Huda Beauty. I am just taking this really dark brown shade and I am packing that in my outer area of my eye and also in the inner part. I am doing a halo eye for this. It isn't quite exactly the same as Jimin's look, but it is a bit more glam, I guess. And I'm just buffing that out with a clean, fluffy-ish, flat-ish brush. And I am going back in with the color, keep more intense, I guess. Then to create the blend, I am going in with a fluffier brush and this kind of mid-tone brown shade. I do go back in and make everything a lot more like intense later. But I do apologize as well for the white balance in this video. It is terrible. I am using a new setup. And then I went in with a lighter brown shade and buffed out the edges as well. Instead of doing it the whole way across, I am just stopping halfway, and then what I'm doing is I'm going in with this brown ColourPop liner and I'm doing that all in my waterline, and then I'm taking a really small pencil brush and I'm just buffing that into the under part of my eye, but I'm not putting any more shadow on the inner part of my eye. I'm going in with Makeup and Murder's Poison highlighter in Exposure. This is a really pretty gold shade. I know Jimin didn't use gold. I think it was silver, but I have gold glitter, so I really wanted to use it, and you can see how pretty this is. Oh my gosh, I adore these pigments so much. They are so pretty. And I'm just putting that on the inner part of my eye to, you know, create that halo effect from dark on the outside and then light in the middle. Underneath my eye, I'm doing it in the sort of like eye bag area, I guess, you know, where you get dark circles. And I'm also going in with this Starry ColourPop glitter, and then I'm adding some silver stars as well. I got those from Kmart, they're craft ones. Going back in with the pigment and I'm putting that underneath my eyebrow and on the tear duct area. Here you can watch me try and struggle to put mascara on camera. Because I have these really deep lines underneath my eye, I did have to go back in with the shimmer and just kind of like smooth out where the glitter had bunched up because it's a gel formula. And I'm using these Sweetheart lashes from Lava Lashes. And yeah, sorry, my forehead is mostly in this, but I did try and film me putting my lashes on. And yeah, this is the final result. I did want it a bit more glam than what was in the folio. Just because I kind of wanted this as like something you could do for a night out, Christmas, you're going to a party, your birthday's coming up, I don't know, something that was like pretty fun but still you wanting like a neutral eye. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed. I will try and be back as soon as possible. I'm actually finishing uni very soon and I will be having a lot more time on my hands. So yeah, please look forward to more content. Please give it a like, thumbs up, comment, whatever. What do you do nowadays? And I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.